Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore quick fixes for when your Apple TV remote is not responding. Follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and resolve common issues with your remote. Step 1. Check the battery level. Start by verifying the battery level of your Apple TV remote. If the remote is running low on battery, it may not work properly. 1. Take your remote and look for the battery indicator. If it's low, charge it using a lightning cable connected to a power source. 2. Allow the remote to charge for about 30 minutes before trying again. Step 2. Reboot your Apple TV. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix connectivity issues. 1. Unplug your Apple TV from the power source. 2. Wait for about 10 seconds. 3. Plug it back in and wait for it to boot up completely. Step 3. Reconnect the remote. If the remote is still unresponsive, try reconnecting it to your Apple TV. 1. On your Apple TV, go to the Settings app. 2. Select Remotes and Devices. 3. Choose Bluetooth and look for your remote from the list. 4. If your remote appears, select it and tap Forget Device. 5. Now, press and hold the menu and volume up buttons simultaneously for a few seconds to pair the remote again. Step 4. Check for interference. Ensure there are no obstacles or electronic devices that might interfere with the remote's signal. 1. Move any large objects or electronics away from your Apple TV. 2. Try using the remote in a different room or location to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Update your Apple TV. Outdated software can cause issues with remote functionality. 1. Navigate to Settings on your Apple TV. 2. Select System, then Software Updates. 3. Choose Update Software. If there's an available update, follow the prompts to install it. Step 6. Reset the remote. As a last resort, you can reset your Apple TV remote. 1. Press and hold the menu and TV or control center buttons for about 10 seconds. 2. Release the buttons when the LED light on the remote flashes. Now try using the remote again. Thank you for watching our video on quick fixes for your Apple TV remote issues. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.